Today we'll teach you how to use LokiProxy's rotating residential proxy. First, come to our official website page. This will then take you to the dedicated purchase page for rotating residential proxies. We can see that the rotating residential proxies packages are divided into two types, basic and premium. Regardless of the plan, all plans are charged based on traffic. The lowest price for the basic plan is 80 cents per gigabyte. The more traffic you buy, the bigger the discount, and the cheaper the price per GB. The premium package includes CD key. Redeem a CD key to get data traffic. The lowest price for the premium plan is 48 cents per gigabyte. Discounts are available in different traffic plans. Overall, choosing the premium package offers better value for money. Here we purchase the corresponding package according to our own needs. Click Buy Now, and you'll have 3 payment options. After the purchase is completed, we arrive at the dashboard interface. The overview interface displays different types of residential proxies. The starting price for rotating residential proxy is 48 cents per gigabyte. Next, we arrive at the configuration interface, where both the basic and premium plans are configured. Configure the CD key in the premium package on this page. We can choose the amount and quantity of CD keys generated. Copy from the CD key list. Then redeem in the configuration interface. We can see that the available bandwidth has increased to 1 gigabyte. CD keys can be shared with others, and can also be redeemed for data traffic through sharing by others. You can see the traffic we purchased. Choose the username and password extraction method. Then select the country. We'll use the United States as an example. Select the number of agents on the right and click Generate. Then copy it to the Ads Power browser for configuration. Select the proxy type as SOCKS 5. Fill the copied information into the host port here. Then, after verifying that the proxy is successful, open. Once the IP address is displayed, the configuration is complete. Those interested can send a private message to customer service to purchase.